Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lenovo Vantage for maximum performance. If you do not have Lenovo Vantage in your laptop, then you can install it from the Microsoft App Store. So once you install it, open your start menu and open your Lenovo Vantage. Now you can click on device details and check your details. You can go to gaming settings and you can see here that you can change your system settings into different performance modes. You can see your system tools, system's health. Now if you click on device setting, you can see your battery health and thermal controls, temperatures, etc. And you can turn drivers and BIOS to auto update. Also, keeping Lenovo Vantage updated helps improve stability and performance. And that's it. That's how to use Lenovo Vantage for better performance. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.